What to do when you want to buy a binary call or a binary put at a certain price, but cannot find a seller at the price you want. Using what's called a put-call parity, you can sell a binary put to replicate a long binary call. Or you can sell a binary call to replicate a long binary put. We will walk you through this idea in this tutorial. First of all, when you buy a Spear token on Divergence, you're buying a binary call. Let's say you pay 0.40 collateral for this Spear. You expect to receive 1 collateral in payoff when the underlying settles above your strike. Your expected profit in this case is 0.60 collateral. When you sell a shield token representing a binary put of the same strike and maturity, you have to fund 1 collateral to a pool as a liquidity provider. Remember, the prices of a binary call and a binary put add up to 1. The put premium you can receive is 0.60 collateral. When the underlying settles above your strike, this binary put expires worthless. You can pocket this profit of 0.60 collateral. As you can see, the expected payoff for the long binary call and short binary put positions are the same. Now we'll go through the second part of the put-call parity, where we sell a binary call to replicate a binary put. Now, if we instead long a binary put, it is represented as a shield token on Divergence. You buy the shield token using a fraction of collateral, 0.4. If the underlying asset settles below your strike price at maturity, you receive 1 collateral, profiting 0.6 collateral, the difference between 1 collateral and the premium you pay. On the other hand, when you sell a Spear token representing a binary call of the same strike price and maturity, you have to fund a Divergence pool with 1 collateral as a liquidity provider with a premium. At expiration, if the underlying asset settles below the strike price, the call expires worthless and you keep the premium of 0.6 collateral as a seller. As you can see, the expected payoff for this long binary put and short binary call positions are the same. Long story short, a long Spear is a short shield, and a long shield is a short Spear. You can establish a long position in a binary option by shorting the other. This is what is called the put-call parity. It comes in handy when you want to compose a certain options exposure as a buyer or a seller. You can use this price parity condition to find a trade or hedge a trade. Anyways, let's remind you that options trading involves risk. This is not financial advice. We hope to see you soon trading on Divergence. If you have any questions, you're welcome to come ask in our Discord or Telegram channels.